my lovely people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this one are your first time when you dey come across this channel, please do me a favor by hitting the red subscribe button and turn on your bell and be the part of this family. So my people, we just still come back again to my membership. Thank you. And to my returning subscriber, thank you. God bless you for joining the part of this family. So my people, we don't come back again. We know see anything where they happen with the one with the update so now. So for a few days now, we see say some issue they happen to this Yoruba girl. Where be say commissioner. Commissioner, I don't know whether na commissioner of street or been a commissioner of police or commissioner of area, you know now. So we come, my say, more we put on for molesting. Maybe now that word go good for you to pass. As in the guy never do all those jogodo matter. He never do all those anything like touch me, I touch you, touch your body. He never do one before. So this old man, this commissioner come do one with, you know, say if you want to do that kind of thing, go be say we agree together. But this one, you know, agree to do one. The man just do one with a as in with force because of the name when they bear, you understand. So the girl come finally cry come out. A lot of blogger they block the issue. A lot of people they follow the matter up. They try to make the get justice for the little girl like that. So the father was a support of this justice. May they get justice, may they get justice, may they fight for them. Bloggers, the blogger, and all over the world they carry the issue so that may they for get justice, may they for say no to all those kind of stuff. We not gonna know what it can happen. The boy, that is the man himself, that is the girl, that is their own father, the father of the girl, finally come out say, I beg, he won't beg media. Hey my God, he won't beg media. Now that one come make me, because it's there. If you check my channel, you not see the video. I've never talk about it on my channel. So I not talk about am where the issue they go, because I see say a lot of people blogger, but I not talk about am. So when I come see when the father of the girl come and say he want beg all the media people, they try, maybe to say they can't appreciate them, they try, but he wanted to say he don't withdraw in hand for the matter. May they put the matter down, may they rest for the matter. So after that one, so now the video when the father take the talk be this one. So we will go back. I will be right back again.
Misunderstanding along the line between my daughter and the Honorable Commissioner. And having discovered this, I deem it fit to come to the public and inform Nigerians and the international community that this matter should be allowed to be laid to rest. As a father to Meloju Ekun Barakat, I'm using this opportunity as well to appeal to Nigerians and international community and media too that I don't have interest in this matter again. I'm withdrawing my case.
Don't come out in hand for the matter. For my own opinion, wetin make me come talk for this issue be say either they go warn the man, or they pay the man huge of money when he take say he no want your own daughter. Do you know the pride? Your own daughter when you born cry come and say, see wetin somebody do to me. Even though you no get money, your last blood you supposed to use and fight for this your daughter. You supposed to use and say as far as media cost this world not be old days life when they know they see internet, they know they see telly, they know they see anything. As far as media stand for you, that they fight the issue, that they want me they give justice to this small girl. You first stand. Why some people they say for my son or for my daughter to die, let me die. You never hear that word. They go stand, use, no matter what they'll say, I will use. That's why I want to talk about a lady, that deeper life woman. Let me just throw it here. That woman used her blood. There was a day she said, if I die, let the media know that I die for this case. If I make the media know, say now this case now for me. As a man, you say let the issue go like that. I have withdrawn my hand from this issue. Your own daughter, what kind of money? What, in fact, which kind of money you define? Your own daughter. I know they've paid you a lot to say let this matter go. After all, she's more than she's grown. She's this. She's not longer a kid. Any moment from now she can get married. No, your old daughter keeping himself to this time. I believe say you go be the one of the father when you go say, I don't want to see you do this thing. I don't want to hear say you dey get boyfriend, but not that man when you no even talk to her, you should not even get love for her. Just vandalize her like that. You can't say you don't withdraw your hand for the matter. My people, mona look towards this thing. So I go leave on a mona still watch the one where the small girl say talk. Make she talk say make they comot their hand say there is a little misunderstanding because she was threatening. If you see the way the girl they talk, look through his eye, you go see say they don't threaten the little girl say let this matter go. After all, you not be small picking again. You understand? But let me tell you one thing. If you guys continue like this in Africa, if I not tolerate Africa, Nigeria, let me call her, we as in we go face a lot of things. We be say we're going to say because if anybody do something like this, why be say if somebody, if rich man do something, they not go want make the give justice. But if poor man do and they go tie him hand for back, tie him leg for up, they go they beat and they talk, carry and go station. Where are the leaders now? Where are they? Anyway, my people, I will leave you to watch the little girl. I will be right back.
My name is Milojo Kumbarakat. You can recall that I was the young lady in the viral video about sexual harassment by the Commissioner for Environment in Ogun State. I'm using this opportunity to thank all meaningful Nigerians that show their support and love towards this matter. And I want you to know that there were few misconceptions and misunderstanding between I and the Commissioner. And I now want to use this opportunity to appeal to meaningful Nigerians to please allow this matter to rest. Thanks.
There was little misunderstanding. Grown up girl like that. Because they pay her father, if either they pay her to they pay this girl father, or they threaten the man to stay away from this issue. But I want to promise you guys, my fellow people, my country, which is to precise Nigeria, if we continue like this, another person will still do it. They will say, after all, let's do it like this. Let's use money. Father, stand for your children. Mother, stand for your children. When you know the truth, always beat on that truth. If they do it like this, a lot of people fear not go even less smuggled. This one tie every.
My name is Milojo Kumbarakat. You can recall that I was the young lady in the viral video about sexual harassment by the Commissioner for Environment in Ogun State. I'm using this opportunity to thank all meaningful Nigerians that show their support.
Don't tie everything, tie all those their jalavia where they tie everything, cover body. It's still they attractive to that man. That man fit still do wetin he wan do. What of the one we be say he can't still dress normal? We never reach 10 years. My people, stand for the truth and stand for your kiss. This is 2021. Let what be bygone be bygone. Don't use because of money to sell your kiss or your child or your momo bright is value when get. Okay, so my people, watch the full video. I will be going for now. If you need anything, waist trainer, like better waist trainer, ghetto, better waist ghetto, better ghetto, children shoe, anything at all, human hair, anything you want, don't forget to contact this number. Bye. Always check my status, add me on WhatsApp. Bye till I come your way again. I remain your humble girl, Katarina Golden Baby TV. Bye.